Alright, Friday today. I just finished the diff. Let's continue with the DAZA. I prepare one box to put the valves. Like I'm saying all the time, if I have a used valve with a used valve seat and a used valve guide, I'm keeping it in order. I don't want to mix it up. That's for everything. I have another one here, I have another one here. Okay, I just don't have enough space on this, and I make another box. There is no problem. So let's open it and let's see how it looks like, the valves and the valve seats and the valve guides. I'm removing now I remove the safe for the retainer. Here I have the exhaust. It doesn't matter, they are the same, but I want to keep it in order. Okay. Alright, that's the exhaust. That's the intake. And now I have removed only 3 springs. What I notice, pay attention. Watch the seal here and seal there. How can I show you that? How can I show you what I mean? I mean, this valve seal, it's not been seated properly in place. That's what I mean. You see the gap that has over there? This is supposed to be more in. And if you see from this side, it's how it's supposed to be. It's seated properly here. Here it's not. And let me see from here. You can see from here clearly what I'm saying. Now this, it's supposed to be more inside the seal. Let's see, can I see the other one? That's the other one. And there, sorry, this one, it's seated properly. This is not, and this is not. Small detail, for me it matters. That's why I mentioned that. Let's continue. Same thing on that. Same thing on this. Now the washer stay there. Also the other washer stay there. Okay, I'm gonna fix it later because when I'm gonna make it upside down, it's gonna fall down. Same thing, same thing, same thing. Yep, let me show you 1 second. Let me see if I can push a little bit more in. Just a second. Give me a second. Okay, let's get the special tool. Oh boy, it goes very easy in and out. That's not the ideal. Let me see, it's not the ideal. Oh, I can turn it. Usually the valve seal is supposed to don't turn. It's supposed to come there inside in the position nice and tight. Yeah, let's move on, right? Let's move on. Also this washer there. Let's get also this, keep it there. All the springs, I have to measure it. At the end I have to put it on the tool here. Measure it with the washer and the lift to see what's going on. Give me a second to fish the washers. I'm gonna remove the valves, putting it in order, and then we're gonna deal with the seals. Yep. Okay, let's start. Let's start with the exhaust. Looks okay. I have to clean the valves. To see what's happening. Alright, it doesn't look bad. Most probably it's from the ethanol. It might be, that's why it's rusty. It might be the case, yeah. Alright. I'm gonna clean all these things. Here, you cannot see on the camera. In any case, the ports need to be cleaned, the valves need to be cleaned. Let's see also the intake. Alright, let's start from the number one. What in hell, it's not stepping equal or what? Why this one? It's biting. One second. Has any mark here on the head or something? Don't scratch the guide. Okay, screw this one. Leave this one for later on. Let's continue with the rest. Because it doesn't feel nice when it comes out. It looks like I don't want to scratch the guide. I haven't measured yet the guide, but if it's okay, I don't want to scratch it. No, also this one. Also this. Space there because of this. Yeah, alright. Okay, give me 1 minute to see what's going on with that and why it feels like it's not passing through the guide. Just give me a second for you, 5 minutes for me. Okay, these two valves with question mark, I already marked it. This it came out, but came out not so much tight. I didn't feel that I'm scratching something, but it was not right. And then if you see here, there is one mark at this point. I want to measure also the height of the valve. Have a reason why, because the other valve here, this valve, I grind it slightly here up. You can see here up. There is one mark here at this point. Yeah, there is one mark here. Two marks, sorry. One is here, one's at this point, the other one here at this point. I have to come back on this. In all of them actually. Just saying. Then it looks like it's rusty. Yep. Looks like rusty. What I don't like, I don't like, okay, now it's not the time to see that. Now it's not the time to see that, but what I'm trying to say that here there is one very thin spot, let us say, where it's stepping the valve. Here it's much more thick. Same thing here. Same thing here, there are some difference. Here, this is supposed to don't seal at all. Okay, I need to continue washing the cylinder head to remove all the carbon, washing and cleaning also the valves, inspect it one at a time, valve springs at the end, not now, it's not the time now. First thing is to wash properly the head, wash the valves, lap the valves, and come back again and see what's happening. That's it for now. That's it for now, because I have to go outside to continue with M157 engine. For any news, I'm gonna make another video. I believe that we're gonna be fine, the valves, from how it looks like. I believe that if it's being washed and lapped, it's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna see that. We're gonna see that later on, like I said. That's it. Thank you.